Max Landis is a Hollywood screenwriter and director who's known for classic films such as Chronicle and Bright. He's also a passionate content producer online, having his own YouTube and being involved in others' videos. Recently, he was accused of many terrible things that have led him to leave the internet in Hollywood. As a fan, this is a devastating development. But I believe with this video, I can expose the truth and show that any and all accusations are unequivocally false. Number 1. He's not talented. Many levy this criticism at Max because of his involvement in films which have received less than stellar reception, but this take is one of the most unfair I've seen. First off, have you ever written a script or screenplay? No, you just sit there rotting away, trying to bring down someone who's so much better than you. Second off, he's just a writer for the movie, so if you're gonna blame him for the movie, are you gonna blame literally everyone else? He didn't man the cameras, he didn't choose the actors. This also ignores the amazing content he produces for YouTube that got him millions of fans. Honestly, this criticism is just so lazy, it gets me fuming. Number 2, he's only famous because of his dad. Okay, this is just fucking stupid. Many seem to believe that just because his dad was a famous Hollywood director, that's the only reason for him being successful and selling so many scripts. Just fuck you, you dumb motherfucker. So what if his dad is famous? Max has worked so fucking hard, but you sat there and wasted your life being a nobody. Maybe it's hard for you to accept that someone is more successful than you because of their hard work and dedication, but honestly, if you believe this, just fucking die. Number 3. Max has been accused of rape and many other sexual crimes. There are many things that could be said to disprove these things, such as his disassociation with Red Letter Media, but honestly, Max can speak for himself on this one. On his YouTube, you can find so many videos of him fiercely defending women and calling for better representation of them in media. He even casts women to play typically male characters. Would someone who hates women do that?
This one's for you and me.
It's me, Max Landis.
Conclusion. Me Too has done some good in bringing down certain disgusting people, but has also had too many misfires to count. And to be honest, I just can't stand by this movement anymore. It completely shows the terrible nature of cancel culture and makes me distrustful of so many women. If you have a Me Too misfire you want us to cover, sound off in the comments and we'll see you next time on 4Men TV.
By the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards fuck my world up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck like lightning fighters. Keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward. Had a dream, I was king. I woke up, still king. This rap game's nibble is mine for the milking. Till nobody else even fucking feels me, till it kills me. I swear to God, I'll be the fucking illest in this music.